Namaste to one and all present here. I'm your outgoing president Sanjay. I'm here to share some memorable moments of mine when I was an Interact president. Firstly, Rotract and Interact was a very big platform which was given to me to explore the different parts of the societies and to serve the needy. One of the best part of the Rotary was Interact was of course Raila. No, Raila built us wonderful skills of leadership between us, and not only leadership, the way we communicate and many more. So the best part of Rotary is that it helps you to serve the needy, and you bring smile in their faces, which is actually a great job to be done. So at the end, I would like to say that if on when I was ninth, Rotarian Reggie uncle just conducted a small thing of how to grow some saplings. And at the end of the session, he just gave us some small seeds of brinjal. And when I planted it and was maintaining it for about 2.5 months, and when I see them bloom, it actually bloomed some real happiness within me. That's what Rotary provides to every one of us. It blooms a small happiness within us, and the way we help others. You are a social activist right now. So I would like to end my speech, and thank you for the school management to make me a Rotarian Interact president and to give us such a wonderful opportunity to. Thank you.
You're going to share the film?
Yes, ma'am.
I can have to make you the. I think you're a co-host. You can do that. You can share the screen.
Ma'am, it is like the host have disabled the athletics screen.
Oh. Okay, 1 second. I'll just change the. Yeah, I think now you can do.
Yes.
He has made a small film of all the activities which we have done last year. It's a video, just a 3 minutes video. So let us just see the video. Close all the other windows. Is Sanjay? Sanjay, audio is not. Shall I ask Naveen Raju to play Sanjay otherwise? Yeah. Switch on the original sound. Fine. Okay, it's okay. Fine. Let it.
He can explain what it was otherwise.
No, I think the music we are not able to hear, Shashi ma'am. That's the reason.
Enable original sound, then we can hear.
No, he's not. From yesterday, he has been trying it.
Ma'am, if we remove his headphone, it will become, ma'am.
Okay. Remove the headphones. Sanjay, remove the headphones. Yeah. Remove your headphones. Yeah. Play it again. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Super, super. Very nice. Thank you, Sanjay. That's good. Thank you. A big applause to you for all the things which you have done last year. And I know this year president is also very enthusiastic like you. So he will continue to do well, and you should be his mentor. So you can always mentor him. And I wish you all the best in your future also on behalf of CSDAV
Yes.
school. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you so much.
Thank
So now we move on to the next, the most important function of the day, the change of guard. And I now request Naveen Raju to spotlight his video. And actually, I have requested his mom, I think the first guru in his life, one who brought him into this world, to collar him and give this honor of making him the Interact president. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Naveen can also show the pin to the people, and I think all the Rotarians over here, he just wore the president's pin too. So with the permission of the chief guest, who's the Interact chair over here, I just want him to congratulate him for becoming the incoming president of for this
Yes,
particular.
congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Congrats, Naveen. Now it is your
Thank you, ma'am.
turn to perform and achieve. Now let us now hear what he has to say and what all plans he has got for this particular year. Go ahead, Naveen.
Namaste to all dignitaries, Rotarians, school management, teachers, and members of the Interact Club of CSTAV and Rotary Club of Royapeta. I am honored to stand before you as the president of Interact Club of CSTAV, Rotary Club of Royapeta for year 2020 to 21 on this record-breaking installation conducted on this virtual platform. I am Naveen Raju, the incoming president for the current year. I am delighted to represent our members to have a speech. First of all, I would like to thank our past President Sanjay for his invaluable services offered. In the previous year, we had many activities that enhanced the same sense of service among our interactors. Based on the motto, serve the needy, I'm sure that we will continue to give our best towards achieving our set goal. Being the president of Interact Club is an honor but also calls for responsibilities. I will take up the challenge because of my passion. I'm here to announce the incoming Interact activities that we have planned through my PPT presentation. Interact Club activities includes online activities and after the open activities. Online activities includes career counseling and discipline, corona awareness and protection, organ donation and awareness, safety awareness, plantation of trees awareness. Career counseling and awareness. Students need to know the importance of career coaching and right guidance before they are going to choose an academic stream after taking the board exam. Career counseling will be helpful choosing a career goal, planning and give a direction to students for a better future ahead. Corona awareness and protection. Be safe from coronavirus infection. Be smart and inform yourself about it. Be kind and support one another. Organ donation and awareness. Students should realize that there are millions of people who suffer with malfunctioning organs. Why take organs to heaven when we need them on earth? Safety awareness. Students must know that safety starts with awareness and awareness starts from themselves. Simple as ABC. A for always, B for be, and C for careful. Always be careful. Plantation of trees and awareness. Students shall get to know about the importance of plants.
Saplings, yeah.
Plant saplings such as reducing the climate change, purifying air, saves water and prevents water pollution. Shelter for wildlife, renewable energy resource, reinforces and control the soil erosion. After reopening activities include dental, eye and health checkup camp, distribution of juice to traffic police, celebration of national festivals, Raila, distribution groceries and toiletries to old age homes and orphanages during Diwali. Highlighted events include Raila, workshop for communication skills and personality development. Both are considered as highlighted events of this year. If the school reopens and the situation is smooth, we can conduct both the events. If not, we need to think of a different way to achieve our goals. Thank you.
Very good, Naveen. Excellent. You have given a broad spectrum of ideas, your plans. I welcome it, and I also wish you all the best for your future projects. Now, yes.
To conclude, along with Interact members and co-students under the guidance of a parent club, Rotary Club of Royapeta, our school management, Rotarian PHF Shashi ma'am and Principal ma'am Mrs. Bharti Kishore will put 100% effort to fulfill the set goal. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to serve the community. Thank you. Now I request our Interact Club coordinator to announce my team.
Mrs. Madhavi, are you
Yes,
ready
ma'am.
to announce Tenno?
Yes, ma'am.
Highlight your video, please.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can just read it out so that children spotlight their video and introduce themselves.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, fine. Yeah.
We can start.
The office bearers of Interact Club of CSDAV for this year. Vice President Kritika.
Yes.
Namaste to another present here. I'm Kritika, the Vice President of Interact Club.
She's showing the pin. All of them will be showing their pins and adorn themselves with a pin. Thank you, Kritika.
Secretary Mitali.
Namaste, I am Mitali, Secretary of Interact Club.
Yes, next.
Treasurer Janavi.
Namaste, I'm Janvi, the Treasurer of Interact Club.
Director Community Service Vaishnavi.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Namaste, I'm Vaishnavi, Director of Community Service Interact Club.
Director Community Health Lavanya.
Namaste, I'm Lavanya, Director Community Health of Interact Club.
Director Environment Awareness Sanjay Kumar.
Namaste, I am Sanjay Kumar, the Director of Environmental Awareness of Interact Club.
Show the pen. Very good. Next.
Director Career Counseling Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, Director of Career Service of Interact Club.
Director Events and Activities Varnika.
1 second. Varnika.
Ma'am.
I'm spotlighting your video directly.
Namaste, I'm Varnika, Director of Events and Activities in Interact Club.
Ma'am, you forgot Sandhya.
Yeah, I'm coming, ma'am. Next. Director Cultural Events Sandhya. Director Cultural Events Sandhya.
Sandhya, spotlight your video. Okay. One second. Sandhya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Namaste, I'm Sandhya. I'm the director of cultural events of Interact Club.
Thank you all. Thank you so much. A very enthusiastic group of students. Our Sandhya is an excellent dancer, and I know she is going to take lead in the cultural events this year. Congratulations and all the best to all of you. We all know that team is actually together, everyone achieves more. So we are all together into it to achieve more and more. Now it's the time for charter exchange. Actually, we have already given it to the secretary, present secretary, and she will show it to all of us. I request the present secretary of the morning, Miss Mitali, to spotlight herself and show us the charter. Thank you so much, Mitali. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Now I request the president of our parent club, Rotary Club of Tribeca, Rotarian Reggie Jose, to address us and motivate us with his few words.
Ma'am, am I am I audible?
Yeah, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. A warm welcome and my greetings to a chief guest, Rotarian Alok Mimani, District Interact Chair, our GGR, Rotarian Vedavalli Sundaram, Rotarians from our club led by Charter Member Rotarian Vasu, my T20 Co-President Rotarian Jayanti, who I can see, I'm not sure if anybody else has joined. From the school side, Suresh Nawaleji, correspondent of CSDAV, Bharti Kishore ma'am, principal of CSDV school. Incidentally, both of them are our valuable aunts of our club too. Rotarian Sashi ma'am, school management, staff, Interact Club President, Interactor Sanjay Rajesh, the past President, Interactor Sanjay Rajesh, new President Naveen Raju and team, parents and student. I won't take long. I just want to warmly welcome all the young leaders amongst us to the world of Rotary as Interactors. CSDV school, every interaction I had with CSDV school has always amazed me in every touch point I had. Be it Kerala flood relief, where we initiated as a club to support victims of the Kerala floods. Our youngest members were the first to contribute. I mean, they truly shocked me and amazed me with the kind of generous contribution of funds and materials they gave us, which they were able to collate or put together in 24 hours. That was, we thought, we were not very sure whether this initiative would go forward, but that first push which they gave us made us, fired us up totally, that when the young kids can do so much, why not stretch ourselves also? So that first spark which was led by our interactors, and that still remains well etched in my memory. Every activity our interactors did last year was truly inspirational. Be it the plogging run, regular health camps, speaker meetings, support to our district $2 2 drops program, donation to old age homes, active participation in RILA. Everything was truly amazing and inspirational. This year too, let all the good works you do continue. As club president of the parent club, I'm looking forward to a lot of inspiration and support from all of you. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. You people are all behind behind us, you can say, and you have been a big support. The club has always been a big support to all of us. So thank you so much for the support too. Now, I think we are now the moment of pride. Let us all now know about the person who is amongst us to motivate us and to inspire all of us. I requested Rotarian Manasa, Director Youth Service, to introduce Youth Service RCR, Rotary Club of Roipeta, to introduce us to our chief guest of the day, Rotarian Alok Mimani, Interact Chair, RI District 3232, to the audience, which will be followed by his motivating speech. Manasa, sir, I have already spotlighted, I mean to say, made your co-host, you can spotlight yourself. Or should I do it? Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Bharti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
and congratulations to all the club of speakers.
Thank you.
And today we have a special chief guest who believes there is a special mantra in life for success. Do you want to know what is that? That is, there is a system to success and it has to be learned. It has to be learned. Point number. Our today's chief guest has attended La Martiniere School in Kolkata and he has graduated from Vivekananda College, Chennai in Commerce. Since then, he has been an alumnus of Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Ever since, every day is a new learning for him. He has been an entrepreneur since 1989 and the field of work has been manufacturing hardware electronics in the name of Perfect Electronics Private Limited. Investment and wealth advisory is a family business and he has taken that business to the next level. He has leadership experience from different fields, starting from work to social environments. He was the president of Madras West Round Table 10. He was president of Rotary Club of Chennai Capital. And when he was president, he was the co-president of Sarvana, our club president during 2017-18. And currently, he is the district interact chair of District 3232. He believes most learnings came from the power of simple system. Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome our today's chief guest, Mr. Alok Memani.
Yeah, thank you for those kind words. Yeah, can I be shown on the screen? Yeah. Okay, thank you for those kind words. One small part was missed, probably I didn't give it in that, Why DAV is important for me? Because I did my 11th and 12th standard in DAV Gopalapuram. So I understand DAV very well. So it's great to be among DAVians, as I call it. Taking things forward, let me start with a little story. This is a story which happened in South Africa, Johannesburg, a long time ago. Richard was a small Negro boy. He had grown his entire life as a slave. You know how it was in Johannesburg. A lot of slaves amongst whites were the blacks. So one day he saw a glass balloon vendor throw up in the air a red balloon, a green balloon, a blue balloon, an orange balloon. All went up in the air. Seeing those balloons go up in the air, Richard went to the gas balloon vendor and said, "Uncle, if you send a black balloon in the air, will it go up?" Now that question was purely understandable. Why? Because Richard had grown in a life what the whites could do, the blacks could not. In fact, the blacks could not do most of the things whites could do. And that's why he had this thought in his mind. Will the black balloon also go up in the air? The gas balloon vendor, a very nice gentleman, put his hands around Richard and said, "Richard, it's not the outside of the balloon which takes it to the top. It's the inside of the balloon which takes it to the top. And we are all made of the same inside stuff." Richard had a turning point that day. He said to himself, though born as a slave, I need not live a life like a slave. The same God which made the white man is the same God which made me. And if others can hit the top like the balloon, I too can hit the top. And that was the turning point in Richard's life. He no longer looked at him as a slave, as himself as a slave. He knew he could achieve by just changing his within. And he could hit the top. And that day was Richard's turning point. And today is your turning point. every interactor, when he becomes an interactor, when he takes a leadership role, there's a turning point in his life. There are two lives now. There is a life prior to interact, and there will be a life after interact. You can ask me why. And it's very simple. Interact complements the school. The school will teach you science. Interact will teach you science of life. School will teach you history. Interact will teach you how to be a history maker and not only a history reader. School will teach you first language, second language, third language. Interact will teach you art of communication. It just complements what is academically taught in school. You can ask me one more thing. Well, okay, this we'll do, but how are we going to do all this? Two ways. And Interact as an RI, as Rotary International, asks, just do two things. And I've seen you're doing a lot, but just cover these two topics. One, project where the school benefits immensely because of the work you do in the school. Second project, you must learn to promote international understanding. I'll explain, go a little detail in international understanding. What do I mean by it? See, when you do well in your house, there's an applause which comes. He comes from a good household. When you do well in your school, there's an applause which comes. Oh, he's from this school. When you do well at a national level, the applause comes. He's from this city. But when you do well in the international level, the applause comes. He's from this country. So you must learn to understand what is international understanding, so that when you're doing out of school that particular work in the international community, the country should stand and clap. He's from India. And that's why today, international understanding, we must do a project on international understanding. I want the president to make a note of this, that we must reach out and understand how the global world is working. So what will, while you are doing these projects, what will Rotary do in turn in your Interact Club? You know, they're going to teach you. We're going to run a program. I've already initiated a program, and we're going to run it in all Interact schools. And what is it going to teach? It's going to teach you enthusiasm. It's going to teach you excellence. It's going to teach you relationship with yourself. It's going to teach you relationship with others. It's going to teach you how to love your country. And what will happen at the end of the year, when we do all this as a whole, you'll have one leg in the door of opportunity. You can write in a paper today. I want every interactor to write in a paper today. At the end of the year, I will have my one leg in the door. I'm going to explain this. I'm not going to just leave it with a statement. What do I mean by one leg in the door? Let me explain to you this. See, when you're in class 10, you have, say, 35 students in class 10. All of you get promoted. You go to class 11. There's another 35 benches available. So 35 students get promoted. Again, you go to class 12. 35 benches are there. You go to class 12. Something different happens when you leave school and you go to college. The seats become less. It's no longer 35. Now it's only 30 seats available for 35. As you leave college and you go to work, 35 will leave, but there'll be jobs only for 30. And as you climb the ladder of life, and as you're hitting the top, those seats will diminish. Then you have only one prime minister. You have only one chief minister. You have only one governor. You have only one CEO. And what will happen when we have these skill sets? No, those one seats, our one leg will always be in the door because of what we have already learned out of Interact. That is why take Interact seriously. Learn to get your one leg in the door of opportunities lying in front of you. You are a privileged bunch. A beautiful school, a beautiful club backing you. All I can tell you is, at the end of the year, call me and tell me if this one year got your one leg in the door. Thank you. Stay safe. God bless.
Very nice. Yes, sir. What can I say? It was an amazing speech. A big applause, sir, really. Comes from my heart. Inspiring story about Richard. I think it should go into everybody's mind and soul. Your speech, of course, it suggested what Swami Vivekananda had envisioned. Education should be a man-making process. So that is what Interact is also for. Apart from academics, they should know how to love their society. They should know how to love each other. There should be a caring and sharing given to the society. Inspiring, sir, very inspiring. Yes, of course, we are going to concentrate on the 2 points which you have told us, the golden words: promote international understanding among the children and let them take up some international project, and also do something good for the school. Of course, our children have been doing it, and we will see that they go ahead and do this year also. Thank you so much, Alok ji. Thank you so much. So,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for those nice words.
And of course, now we come with our future, that what we are going to do in the month of August, and this will be given by our secretary, incoming secretary, Miss Mitali. She is going to tell us what events we are going to cover in the month of August. Mitali, over to you.
Ma'am, you have to give the spotlight on her.
Yeah. Yes, Amitai.
Namaste to all dignitaries, our beloved school management, esteemed teachers, and my Interact friends. At the outset, let me thank you all for selecting me as the secretary of our Interact Club. As you are aware, our Interact Club's objective is to increase the social awareness, at the same time encourage the members with the blessings of patrons to undertake various activities that can spread harmony, bring in togetherness, and also useful in providing the budding youth with lots of information and experience to take informed and consultative decision towards career building. Being the secretary of the club, I promise to give the needed support and effort to achieve the set goals of our club. To start with, following activities will be undertaken by our club for the August month. On 1st August 2020, career counseling for interactors will be provided. World has turned more and more competitive day by day, with lots of opportunities and choices mushrooming rapidly. We need learned and experienced people to counsel and guide us to make a well-informed and consultative decision on our academic career. We are approaching crossroads that will branch out in different directions and lead us to an appropriate career journey, which in turn will determine our success, growth, and most importantly, happiness. We need to tread the path with utmost caution and guidance. Next activity. Though it is a time of pandemic, our Independence Day celebration cannot be compromised, especially when our country is taunted and minimally attacked by the aggressors of our borders. We need to show our enemies, though they are neighbors, that patriotic fervor is at the heart of our Indian community. Though we stay safe during the pandemic, but still we are determined to celebrate the Independence Day. This year, we are catching up on learning the technology and putting into best use. We are extending our virtual schooling to virtual celebration. Yes, we are going to celebrate Independence Day virtually. This is indeed going to one of an experience which can cherish in our lifetime, a new normal. Thank you once again for giving me an opportunity to be part of this wonderful club and serve to the best of my ability and of course with your support. Thank you.
Thank you, Mitali.
Welcome.
I think we have one more thing to be announced. We are also going to have Ganesh Bhajans, which we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi every year. 22nd August is Ganesh Chaturthi, and probably we might have a virtual bhajan session through Zoom. So we will plan it out. That also has to be there. And today is Miss Ria, Interactor Ria Verma of 10th standard, her birthday. So we are all wishing her a very happy birthday and a future ahead. Ria, wish you a very, very happy birthday, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. She is presently at Bihar and she is attending online classes from Bihar. Yes, Regissa?
Bharti ma'am, do you want to recognize the visiting Rotarians?
Yes.
I have the list. I can do that.
Yeah, please do that. Sir. Thank you.
In fact, we have a lot of good support from our visiting Rotarians. Besides GGR, we have Rotarian Jayanti Karthikeyan of Chennai Spotlight, who incidentally will be.
She is going to be the career counselor.
Yeah, she's a career counseling expert. So she's also in the call. We have our regional secretary, Rotarian Somu. We have Rotarian Dr. Sam. We have RC Alandur Interact Chair, Rotarian Venkat also on the call. Thank you so much for joining us and encouraging our young leaders in the path of Rotary.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for recognizing. I request now Mrs. Madhavi to present the formal vote of thanks to all of us, to all the dignitaries who have come over here, to all the staff who is present over here. Mrs. Madhavi, you can spotlight your video and present the vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste to one and all present to this event of the installation of Interact Club of CSDAV 2020-21 through this virtual platform as the new normal goes. This great event has come to a conclusion successfully with the guidance of our parent club, Rotary Club of Royapettah, RI District 3232. I am privileged to convey our vote of thanks to our distinguished chief guest, Rotarian Alok Mimani, District Interactor, RI District 3232, and by giving us a wonderful speech which has filled our thoughts. Hope our interactors will, along with all the other members, will really take it up. Rotarian Manasa, Director Youth Service, Rotarian Reggie Jose, President RCR, Rotarian Raghunathan, Secretary, and all other Rotarians for extending their precious time and be a part to the event. I extend my gratitude to past President Rotarian PHF Sasi Suresh ma'am, our correspondent sir, our principal ma'am, Mrs. Bharti Kishore, and Sonam ma'am for being a great supportive pillar throughout. My heartiest thanks to all the teachers, participants, and our intra-club members and students who made this event a great success. I, Mrs. Madhavi, as intra-club coordinator of CSDAV, on behalf of our club, once again thank all our participants for your great support. Thank you.
As the tradition goes, I think we should end our program with the national anthem, because after this today we do not have classes also. So I request our correspondent Suresh to sing the national anthem for all of us, and let us all stand up for the occasion.
Before that, anyway, congratulations to the president, incoming president, and his team of teams. See, every year there are a lot of children who pass out from our school as Interact members. So far, we have not been recognizing them by way of certificates.
So they are giving it this year, sir.
Yeah, so this is what I've been saying all these years, but I don't know. So far, it has not come true. So I want Reggie to make a note of it. Please make a lovely certificate so that we give them whenever they pass out of our school. So this will be some sort of a recognition for them, and it will be a thing which can they show all the time, anytime. So thank you very much.
Point well taken, Sureshji. Already action initiated.
Oh, very good. I'm very, very happy about it. So thank you very much, Reggie. And I think with this, shall we start the national anthem?
Yeah, start.
Okay. Janagana mana adhinayak jaya hai, Bharat bhagya vidhata, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्चल जल
तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय